Class 8 Grammar Chapter 1 Articles. In English, there are three articles. They are a, and the. The determiners a, and the are called articles. As you all know, articles are of two types. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. So articles can be divided into two types. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles, whereas the is called the definite article. The is called the definite article. The indefinite articles a and an are always used before a singular noun. And there is a difference in use of a and an. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. A is always used before words beginning with a consonant sound, whereas an is always used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Words beginning with a vowel sound. Let us look the example. Let us take the word umbrella. Umbrella. What is the first sound of that word umbrella? Umbrella. A sound, isn't it? A sound is a vowel sound. So we have to say like this, an umbrella. We have to use an before umbrella. An umbrella. Next word, old man. Old man. It's a noun, isn't it? Old man. What is the first sound in that? Old man. Old. O sound. O sound is also a vowel sound. So we have to use an old man. Okay, we have to use an there. An old man. Next let us look the word, take the word pencil. Pencil. Per sound. What is the first sound of pencil? Pencil. Per sound, isn't it? Per is not a vowel sound. It's a consonant sound. Per sound, pencil. Per is not a vowel sound. It's a consonant sound. So we cannot say an pencil. We will say only a pencil. Next, let us take the word cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow. What is the first sound in that word? Cow. K sound, isn't it? Cow. K sound. K is K a vowel or a consonant sound? K sound is a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. So we will not say an cow, it is a cow. A cow. Now in your textbook, chapter 1, articles, page number 1. Page number 1, you can see there, let's learn. The first topic given there is use of the indefinite articles. So let us look the first point there. As a general rule, a or an is used before a singular noun which is countable when it is mentioned for the first time and represents no particular person or thing. Let's check the example. A cow is an animal. A cow. Here, cow is a noun, isn't it? Cow is a noun. It is a singular noun and it is countable. Can you count cow? Yes, it is a countable one. So, cow is a singular noun and it is countable and it is mentioned for the first time in the sentence, isn't it? It's mentioned for the first time in the sentence and it represents no particular person or a thing. It is not representing or it is not referring to any particular cow. Okay, so we can use a cow is an animal. We can use there a cow. A cow is an animal. Same way, a cat can catch a mouse. A cat here is a singular noun which is countable and it is mentioned for the first time in the sentence and it is not representing or it is not referring to a particular cat. So we can use a cat. A cat can catch a mouse. A house has a roof. A man can laugh. Now the second point. As a general rule, a or an is used before a singular countable noun which represents a class of things. For example, a cow has horns. Here, the noun given there is cow, isn't it? Cow is a singular noun. Cow is a countable noun also. You know that. Cow is a singular countable noun. But here, cow refers or represents a class of cows. A whole class of cows. It doesn't represent or it doesn't refer to a single cow. It represents or refers to a whole class of cows. All cows. So here we can use a cow has horns. Then an elephant has a trunk. An elephant is a singular countable noun, but it represents a class, the whole class of elephants. All elephants here. So we can use an elephant has a trunk. Why an is used there? Because elephant, the word elephant, the first sound in the word elephant is a vowel sound. Elephant, a sound. A sound is a vowel sound. That is why we are using an there, an elephant. Now the third point. A or an is used with a noun complement. This includes names of professions. For example, he is an engineer. She is a good dancer. She is a teacher. He became a great man. So let us take the first example. He is an engineer. Engineer is actually the name of a profession and it is a noun complement. Okay, so it is a noun complement. Engineer is a noun complement. So we are using an engineer. She is a good dancer. Good dancer is actually a noun complement. So we are using a before good dancer. She is a teacher. Teacher is actually the name of a profession and it is a noun complement. So we are using a teacher. The last point in that page, a or an is used before certain numerical expressions. Certain numerical expressions like, let us look the example, a dozen, half a dozen, a score, a gross, then 100, 1,000, a million. So a or an is used before certain numerical expressions like dozen, score, 100, 1,000, million, etc. Now page number 2, the first point. A or an is used before lot of, great deal of, great many of. For example, a lot of, a great deal of, a great many of. Here the first example, a lot of. Can we use it in a sentence? I will tell a sentence. I have lot of money. I have lot of money. What about that sentence? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. We cannot tell like that, isn't it? We have to use like this. I have a lot of money. Not I have lot of money. I have a lot of money. Same way, a great deal of. Not great deal of, a great deal of. A great many of. Now, the second point given in that page. A or an is used in expressions involving price, speed, ratio, etc. For example, rupees 5 a kg, 100 kilometers, an hour, 5 times a day, 40 rupees a meter. Third point in that page, a or an is used with few and little. A few and a little mean a small number, a small amount. For example, we are going away for a few days. Here a few days, which shows small number, maybe 2 or 3 days. Second one, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge here shows a small amount of knowledge. Now the fourth point, a or an is used in exclamations before singular countable nouns. Let us look the example. What a hot day. Here day is a singular and it is a countable noun. Day is a singular noun, isn't it? It's a countable noun also. So what a hot day. A hot day. What a pretty doll. It's an exclamatory sentence. Doll here is a singular noun. It is a countable noun too. So what a pretty doll. Such a nuisance. What a fine innings. Now the last point. A can be used before Mr. or Mrs. or Miss plus surname. Example, a Mr. Smith, a Mrs. Smith, a Miss Smith. So when you're using a before this names and all, like a Mr. Smith, it means that, or it shows that the speaker who is talking about this Mr. Smith does not know him.